Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security, and then we go down and tap on Samsung blockchain Keystore. Next, tap on Reset Blockchain Keystore, and then it says all Samsung Blockchain Keystore data will be reset. After resetting Samsung Blockchain Keystore, you need to set a new PIN. You can continue using your current wallet. After entering your recovery phrase, you can also just create a new wallet. Now, if you're ready, tap on the reset button. Now, be careful when doing this. If you do have any wallet link to your blockchain Keystore, make sure you have backup the recovery phrase. Otherwise, you will not be able to gain access to your wallet. And that's it. Now tap on the reset button and either use a PIN or a fingerprint to reset the device. Not the device, but the blockchain app. And that's it. So now it has been reset. You can tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore to set up for a fresh start. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.